is richer than me? I have everything. I'm richer than Obi Cubana. Even Chief Otto Eze, I'm richer than him. I'm richer than E-Money. Wow, I'm rich. Who is richer than me? I have everything. I'm richer than Obi Cubana. Even Chief Otto Eze, I'm richer than him. I'm richer than E-Money. I have money. Cubana Chief Priest is my boy. What do you say? You are just bragging. Bragging? You are not even richer than those people you called. Everything you think you have today is vanity. One day you will die and live there.
Can you remember?
Greetings, Adandingo. Greetings.
Can you remember?
Cookie is just here bragging about his wealth. He is calling names of people who are richer than him by far.
Cookie, is that true?
Yes, ma.
That is not good. You don't need to brag of the material things in this world, because one day you will die and leave them. More like vanity, akufecha or danawo. Whatever you try to achieve in this life, you are just a passerby. One day you leave everything behind. Okuto, kawanka, okuma, nyoriyo. This means that no matter your achievements in life, no matter what you are, if you're an engineer, a doctor, a pilot, when you grow old, you start to lose your value. Nobody will know what you have become. Diana and Miri, whatever falls into the river, they use the leg to look for it. Beautiful episode of Igbo Proverb Friday with Chioma Oji. Stay tuned next Friday for more beautiful episodes. For more reference, go back to my timeline and see. Thank you. If you see this all over the world, share, like, and follow.
Please share and like. Please like, share, follow, and comment. Please.
Thank you.
Bakoro chagi babu ye kuya o. No ya buo su na ya wore na ba.